everyone and welcome back to our video. I would like to thank Flynn and Charlie for the input. Today we're going to make pizza. For a healthy version we're going to use muffins. You can use pizza dough, you can use pita bread, you can practically use anything you want to make the base. But for today's video we're going to use muffins. Prior to this video the children already washed their hands, but if you're at home please wash your hands before making your pizza. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, what's this, Charlie?
Sauce.
Tomato paste. I'm going to put, I'm going to squeeze some tomato paste on your bread, but you wait till I say what you're going to do, okay? I'll put your tomato paste on your muffin.
On the muffin.
On the muffin.
I like it.
All right, come on.
Come on.
Now we've added our base tomato sauce. Now we've added our tomato paste. Now is the fun bit. We're gonna put our toppings on. Today, for our toppings, we're gonna use ham, capsicum, yellow, red, green, mushrooms, and pineapple. But you can choose any toppings. You can choose it, and cheese. And cheese. You can use any toppings you will like, or your children will like. Okay. So Charlie and Flynn and Charlie, what would you like on your pizza?
Mine was yellow and cheese.
Well, you've got your plate. You've got your individual plates here. So you've got capsicum, yellow, red, green capsicum, ham, and mushroom. So now you sprinkle what kind of toppings you would want, and your pineapple and your cheese, and you sprinkle on what you like, okay? You like on your topping?
This one.
Pineapple? Yeah. All right, put some pineapple on your... Do you know what I'm going to choose? Look at all the colourful pizzas that the children make. I think it looks like a rainbow. What do you think? Do you think it looks like a rainbow, Flynn? So we're going to cook these and they're going to eat them. So thank you for making pizzas with us. Bye.